Hello there! This tutorial will show you how to set up your email gateway using Postmark to manage your subscribers using the Wemail plugin. First, make sure you have an account registered with Postmark. After registration, you will see the following screen. After logging in, tap on the Account tab, then click on the API tokens. After clicking, this is what you will see. After you click on the API tokens, you'll see two types of API keys, the Server API token and the Account API token. Copy both the tokens from here. Now go back to your Wemail dashboard, then click on Settings, and under Email Sending, click on Postmark. Click on Edit Credential and paste the API keys and click on Next. Now log into your Postmark account and then navigate to Sender Signatures and click on the Add Domain button. Now tap your domain name here and then click on Verify Domain. After this, your Postmark account will create a DKIM record that you need to add on your DNS for verifying your domain. So add the DKIM hostname and value to your DNS, then choose Verify. Please note, it can take up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to take place. After the DKIM is verified, you can instantly begin sending from any email address of your domain. After the verification of the DKIM, the Postmark site will show a green checkmark next to the domain in your sender signatures. And that is how you can set the gateway for Postmark. If you want to find out how to set up other gateways, please check out the links down below. That's it for now. Stay tuned!